the slider end.
Okay, hold on. It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, I might need it. Oh, there you go. There you go.
We were climbing the obstacle when, crunch, the bed of the truck got smashed in. My wife, who's used to spotting the Jeep, thought we were clear, but in the moment we both forgot that the factory rock sliders don't extend all the way to the bed's end. We stayed focused, worked together, and pushed through. All right, here we go. Gotta stack some rocks.
Yeah, there, you're over it now with your diff. You're clear. Yeah. Woo.